All right. Oop, beware of dog. Round 3, 9th day of May. Beware of doggy. Didn't say he or she. So now we're kind of getting into more of stores, I think, down here. Oh yeah. Selfie spot. You can sit on here. Sit on here. Oh. Like a goofball that I am. You can sit on here. See? We got a way back. It's okay. Unless you want to do it, I'll get a way back.
Someone asked me, well, why are you going? I'm like, ocean.
Ocean.
Seafood.
Something different.
Never been there.
Never been there. Well, I broke it sitting on it.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Still eat it.
Okay. Commander Hotel. So you got a thing way up there.
Couple Ferris wheels.
Yeah, go Ferris wheels. I would imagine this place would just probably be packed summertime. Now look at this. Look at this one's kind of
Sketchy.
yeah. I'm gonna buy it and remodel it. You know, paint it, make it look. It's too bad.
Oh, it's good down.
It's too bad. Oh, I know. It's too bad. It's fenced off. This whole thing is.
Oh. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's just seasonal,
No.
the way it's fenced off.
Right. Yeah, it's been for a while. Yeah, somebody has to buy it and decide to make it into something.
Somebody's going to ram right into that.
We got some. Now we're getting into some stores down here. You get a tattoo. You got sissy ball, football. Bunch of shoes. Low. Looks like he's into sissy ball. Remember those bags you would get? Cheap sunglasses, the song says. Oh God. No, I was just saying cheap sunglasses. Super sale. What does this remind you of? Cruise. $9. They're epic. 2 for $10. All kinds of weird animals. Our dogs would tear these apart.
One more than the other.
Yep.
Hi, how are you? Good.
When the kids want to go out in the snow, I mean out in the snow, out in the dirt. There, shovel away. They can eat in snow too as well. Let's see, what is it? $4, $5, $6. So yeah. Oh, you put names on the ring. All kinds of fun stuff. Yeah, we'd give them one of these and they'd tear it apart.
Coco would for sure.
Oh yeah.
Coco's the instigator.
Yep. There's a something out there. Beachview Apartments, weekly rentals. So now we're getting in, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting the meat of the boardwalk down here. Another Howard Johnson's. Oh yeah, these are the ones where the kids see those. Mom, what is MILF? I love black eyes. Oh my God, makes me high. Oh my goodness. $18 these bad boys. Baja Jet. No.
This is nice. I mean, I wouldn't wear it because it's yellow, but it's nice and
Yep.
clean and simple like this is.
Mm-hmm. Virginia Beach. The girl. Little football. Balls will blow up at purchase. Okay. These are fun to throw around the beach. Mm-hmm. 10% off. You can tell. We have all kinds of fun stuff in here. Bye. Taylor Swift. Yep. Jailbirds. Ray Rice, who in the bloody white suit. Don't care, Bear. Wow. Look at that stuff. Ooh, yeah. Yummy. So you can tell. You got all that stuff right over there. And then you get ice cream. Yeah, you know this place is packed.
Mm-hmm.
Badass cafe. Yeah, now we're getting into more fun stuff down here. Donuts. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the menu. Anyways, guys, round 3 in the book. All right. See you later.